Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now we have to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down in order to find the others, and as you can see here we've got encryption and credentials. So let's enter. Now scroll down to the very bottom until we will find the clear credentials option. As this is the option we're looking for, simply tap on it. Now let's confirm it with OK. And basically that's all. We should receive the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully, but probably in this device it will not appear. But no worries, just tap on clear credentials and it will work, which simply means that it will remove all the certificates from your device. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Alcatel 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.